I'm on a mission to declutter my whole house, and I've been on a decluttering journey for the last 2 years with the goal in mind that I want to live more of a minimal life, and I've decluttered up to 80% of my home in the last 2 years, but I've still got more to go through. So I set myself up this decluttering challenge to get myself motivated, but also to get you motivated as well and get you to join in with me and declutter your own things as well. And I'm going to be making a decluttering challenge series where we'll go through areas of our home and we'll do this step by step, one bit at a time. This makes decluttering so much more manageable because you're not having to spend hours on a certain area of your home. And we're going to put a bit of a timer on. Now, you don't have to do this, but I do recommend that you put a timer on, because putting a timer on this will make you make decisions faster because you're set to a time limit. So what I'm going to do is put a 15-minute timer on my phone. My phone's nearly dead, which is not good. My battery's nearly dead, so I'm gonna have to charge that before I start doing this. But let's finish this intro. We're going to be working on decluttering clothes today. I'm going to be going through my wardrobe, which is quite a minimal wardrobe because I have decluttered loads of my clothes already. I'm also going to be going through my kids' clothes. I have decluttered some of their clothes as well, but there's still a little bit left to do, especially in my son Finley's bedroom. And I'll give you some tips along the way as well. So if you've got some clothes to declutter, use this as motivation and also inspiration on the best ways to declutter your clothes as well. I'm so ruthless when I'm getting rid of things. I want you to be the same, okay? Let's be each other's support and let's get going. I do like to have a little bit of space in my wardrobe so I can move my clothes easily. And although I am very minimal, there are a few things in this wardrobe I think that I just don't wear enough. And I'm going to start on one area. I'm just going to slowly go through and touch each item. This is the way that I declutter my clothes. You can also take things out and just look at them one by one, and you can decide whether you want to donate it, sell it, or it's a maybe. I would choose those 3 categories because that's going to help you to make decisions fast. If you're a little bit unsure about something, you can put it in the maybe pile and try it on later. See if it still fits you. See if it's a little bit overworn. Is the shape still nice on you? Do you feel good in it? And do you wear it enough to get the use out of it and justify keeping it as well? And this is something that I've been doing through decluttering my clothes, is putting things into the maybe pile, and it just helps me to make a decision a bit later on. I don't try things on there and then because it just makes the decluttering a little bit more strenuous, and then it's easy to lose motivation then if you're tired and you're trying things on. You're just going to lose energy. So what I'm going to do is just go through each item and just decide, do I wear this enough? Is it one of my favourites? Like this item here has been in and out of my wardrobe and I'm a little bit unsure about it, but so I'm going to take this out and I'm going to try it on. That's going to go into my maybe pile, but I'm going to put it on my door handle for now because I'll try it on a bit later on. Some of these items are quite new, so I know for definite I'm going to keep them. So I'm just slowly going through each item and I'm just remembering when was the last time that I actually wore this thing. This cardigan here, although I love it, is a cardigan that I never reach for, and it is a really nice cardigan and I don't know why I don't reach for it much, to be honest. So I'm going to put that in the maybe pile as well because this has been in and out of my wardrobe for about the last 3 years and I don't wear it enough. I hardly ever wear it. There's also this cardigan, although I love it and is so cozy. I put it on for my recent What's in My Wardrobe video that I made for YouTube, and I just thought I looked very bad in it, so I'm going to put that in the maybe pile as well. So I'm going to try that on just one more time to make sure, but I'll probably declutter that. I've got this jacket, which I love, but I have got a new varsity jacket. So I'm a little bit unsure about this as well because it is going a little bit threadbare as well. I can actually see through that because I've worn it to death. So I might actually declutter that as well. Sleeves are looking very wobbly. So that's another little decision maker for me, is I can see the quality is going a little bit rubbish. Let me know as well if you want me to make a what did I buy off Vinted video, because I always shop on Vinted and I've got some beautiful pieces off there, and half of my wardrobe is Vinted bought now, so I'm interested in making a video like that. But just let me know if you want me to make a video and I will. I don't think there's many more things in this wardrobe now that I don't wear, but I have pulled out 4 pieces for the maybe pile. So I think pretty much all these things here. Actually, this one's another maybe as well because I was going to declutter it, and then I tried it on and decided that I liked it again. It's a sporty jacket. I tell you what, I do like that. I will put it back in. I'm just having a little look through. I know that these items I wear quite a lot. These are some of my going out stuff, so I'm going to have a little look through that as well. I might actually declutter that, although I love it. It is just a Christmassy dress that I wear. I'll try that on actually. I did used to love this, but I think it's gone a little bit too small for me because it's a size 8. So I'm going to try that on and just see if it still fits me, because I have put weight on. I'm a size 10 to 12 now. So I'm not sure if that'll still fit me. So try that on. There are a couple of going out tops. I don't have many going out items. And look, I've made space, which is brilliant now. I can actually go through my clothes so much easier now, and I'm not having so much choice to make as well because I've got less things in my wardrobe. I'm in my son Finley's room now, and I'm going to go through his clothes. And like I said, I have had a little bit of a declutter on this already. I got just under 10 minutes left on my timer, so I'm going to quickly go through, and this is going to help me to make better decisions because I know I'm on a time limit. So what I'm looking for is anything that's gone too small for him. So I'm going to check the labels. Is there anything that's a little bit overworn, like this jumper? But he loves that jumper, I can't get rid of it. But just have a look. Is there anything that's a little bit overworn? Anything that's gone super bubbly? Anything that's a bit see-through? Any holes, rips, that type of thing, stains? And I'm also looking for duplicates as well. Things that are very similar that he's got 2 or more of, like these long sleeve tops. I don't think he needs a ton of long sleeve tops. I think he wears a lot of hoodies as well and jackets. This jacket I know that he doesn't really wear very often, so I am going to get rid of that. Although it's pretty much brand new, he doesn't wear it very often and he doesn't reach for it, so what is the point in keeping it in his wardrobe if he's not wearing it? I'm also going to get rid of one of these long sleeve tops. I'm probably going to get rid of this one because I noticed the writing on the side has gone a bit worn anyway, so I'll get rid of that too. You also want to get rid of any clothing that your child doesn't like the feel of, anything that they're just not comfortable wearing because of the material. And Finley is like this. I think he's got sensory issues. He's always been like it since he was little. I always used to go around the shop feeling the fabric because he won't wear certain fabrics because he doesn't like the feel of them. So anything that you know your child is not wearing, get rid of it. Look at all the long sleeve tops that he's got. He's also got this one. I think I'm going to get rid of that one because he doesn't wear it very often. So get rid of that. What happens is I've got my eldest son who's 19 and he passes clothes down to Finley. So Finley always ends up with sometimes too many clothes. So that's why I got to go through his clothes quite often. Long sleeve top again. See where I mean all the long sleeve tops? But that's more of a sporty one. So I will actually keep that. I will actually keep that in his wardrobe. He's got a long sleeve jacket that he doesn't wear, long sleeve hoodie. I get rid of that. What's the size on it? Check the size. Well, how much have I got left on my timer? I got 6 minutes. 6 minutes left. I know I'm on a time limit now. This is a size small. I'm not sure if that still fits him. He's gonna have to try that on, so I'm putting that in the maybe pile. I'm just having a look through his t-shirts now because he doesn't wear t-shirts all that often. Even in summer you'll wear a long sleeve top over a t-shirt. Yeah, some of these are I think going a little bit too small for him, to be honest. I'm not sure if they'll even fit him next summer. That one's got a stain on the front, I can see that already, and that's a size small. Get rid of that. This is another long sleeve top. I don't think he's very fussed on this, I'm not sure. I'll keep it just in case. He has got quite a few long sleeve tops, but he wears them all the time, so I don't really mind keeping that. That's a size large, that's huge. I think that might be my other son's t-shirt. This I know is far too small for him, so I'll get rid of that. Extra small that size. That's a size 13 to 15. He's in size medium men's now, so that's going to go as well. I'm going to declutter these hangers as well, see? So when I get rid of things, I'm also going to take the hangers out of his wardrobe. This has gone too small, but he doesn't wear it as well, so I know all that's going. What are we doing like for the time? This is how much time we got left. Just over 4 minutes. I've also found a pair of joggers but they're aged 13 to 15, and he's going to need to try those on. They've been in his wardrobe and I don't even think he knows they're there. So I'm going to put those on his bed for him to try on when he comes home from school. And then there's also this pair of jeans that was passed on from my eldest son, and they're a lovely pair of jeans. They're aged 15 years and they are lovely jogger jeans, but I don't know if he's ever going to wear them. And to be honest, I've only kept them just in case we go somewhere nice and he goes out for a meal. But to be honest, I don't think I could even get him to wear a pair of jeans like this. So I'm probably going to sell these on because they are lovely and they look brand new, to be honest. So I will ask him later on, but I'm pretty sure that those are going to get sold. So look how much room I've made. This is amazing. So I'm going to take out these trouser hangers because they're not getting used, and I'm also going to take out these as well. I'm going to go through those. Look how much room I've made for him. There's loads of room now. And let me show you all the things that I've decluttered from his wardrobe. Look at all that. That's progress, isn't it? Look how many things. Like, that's amazing. So that's why he's got so much room now, and he's going to have less choice to make. So it's going to make it so much easier for him to come and find his favourite things, because he only wears his favourite outfits anyway. So what is the point in him having so many things in his wardrobe? And these things can be resold or donated and someone can get the use out of them. So I don't want to leave them in the wardrobe and then be wasted. And look how much progress I've made in 15 minutes. These are all the things that I've decided to declutter from my son's and my wardrobe. I just think that's a massive pile to be decluttered in 15 minutes. So if I can do this in 15 minutes, you definitely can. Make a start. If you need any help, please comment and let me know. I'm here to help you. What I do want to do though is fold the things up that I'm going to sell. So I know the things that I'm going to sell and I know the things that I'm going to donate. So what I'm going to do is just put them in a little pile, and then I can take photos of them a little bit later on. So I like to take all my photos on in the same day, so I won't do that today. I will sell those, I will sell those. I know what's going to be resellable and what's not going to be resellable. Some of these are just a bit too worn to be resold. Declutter that and declutter that. That's going to go in donation. So I've got a selling pile. There's my selling pile, and that is my donate pile. Now I want you to have a look through your wardrobe and get decluttering your wardrobe. And if you need to declutter your kids' wardrobes as well, I have made a video on how to get started with decluttering your kids' wardrobes, and there's some really good tips in there. So I will leave that linked in my description box. Good luck with your decluttering. Let me know in the comments if this helped you at all, and also how much you got decluttered as well if you do actually declutter. If you want more help with decluttering, follow this series because I am going to be decluttering my whole house, and we're going to be going through each category of thing in my home, and I'm going to be doing this in small chunks. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.